Hi, we're getting lots of phone calls asking if we're staying open, and yes, we are. We're staying open to do whatever it takes to help you and your family and your loved ones and your animals, your pets, stay safe throughout this coronavirus time period. What we're offering is all listed out on the webpage here, but it's full home security and perimeter security as well. And that would include, of course, fencing and gates. So the main thing I want to get across in this video is that through every step of the way, from the phone call that you make to us to the installation being complete, we're going to be completely aware of your safety and our employees' safety. We won't be in your proximity at all. We'll never enter your house, and we'll do all the work on the outside. That's where we do our work, while you're safe in the inside. And that will also be the case of any sales that we do. We're not going to come to your house to get this done, to answer your questions. We're going to do that all over the internet using cameras, video cameras on our computers, and sharing pictures and videos, and keeping you fully educated about everything that we do. So we're looking forward to helping you be more secure, and we're looking forward to getting through this together. We're very optimistic that we're going to pull through this all together. Thank you very much. Goodbye.